In the metals quadrant, taking a look at the December copper futures, which finished its fifth straight week lower and its fourth session lower in the last five, although today we did finish positive slightly. Copper has now moved basically sideways since pausing on its corrective path lower when it closed on October 15th and established the kind of channel that it's been in, the sideways channel. Through those 14 sessions, copper's been moving within a 3.8% range, but from the close on October 15th to today, it's only up about 54 basis points, and you can actually think that 48 basis points of that 54 is today. The high today, 4.41, that was up 1 basis point, and the low today, 4.3430, was actually a gap higher of 0.07%. And as I already mentioned, as we come in toward the close, we're still up about 0.48%. The dollar is helping to keep a cap on copper as it strengthened today in the aggregate and finished near unchanged on the week. It represents a decent recovery when you consider that at one point the dollar on the week was down 0.6%, but it's technically finishing down by 3 basis points. But with the kind of volatility we've been seeing in the dollar, it's technically or effectively unchanged. Overall, the stronger dollar is a negative for copper, and that has been the wider narrative, but didn't necessarily play out on a Friday like today, with copper finishing a little bit higher on the day. The volume, though, for copper has been light through most of this week. We had one decent volume day on Tuesday, and this makes sense considering that next week we have a Fed meeting and a U.S. presidential election. That's the height of uncertainty for commodities. So you're talking about quite a bit of that going on, and going forward, copper is not going to be immune to that. Same volatility that's going to affect currencies, equities will affect commodities.